the American flag. Looks like we might get some stars. Okay, so it's extra dark here at the park, which is actually good for what I am about to do. I'm actually going to try to get some good astrophotography shots. So, got the stuff that I need in my bag, got a tripod to hold the camera still. Very little light, so let's climb this hill, and it looks like I got some spots here where I can try to point the camera in the right direction and get some good astrophotography shots. So we're going up this hill right here. There is some lights around, but we're going to the very top, and we got a couple of stuff over here. I try to point the camera in different directions. As you can see, I'm climbing this hill right now. So we're at the top. This is where I'm gonna set up to try to get some astrophotography shots from up here and try to get some good photographs. Maybe I'll point the camera in various directions. Let's see how this goes. All right, so this is my setup here, my little tripod. We're gonna set it to night sight. We're gonna wait for it. It says astrophotography on. So I'll hit, and looks like it's gonna take about a minute for it to take the shots that it needs to create this effect. And we'll see how it goes. You can hear my kids way down there playing. But this is the top of this hill. A spot that I've always wanted to try to do this. So that's the first photo. At the end, I'll show you the results of every one of these shots that I take. We got about another 30 seconds or so. So it's doing its thing. There's my son right there. He's skateboarding. I would show this on me, but I doubt you will see me. Well, let's try anyways. Flipping the camera around. So the camera's flipped around, and obviously you can't see me. I mean, you kind of can. I mean, the shadow of me or whatnot. But hopefully this works out. I want to try to get some good shots, and yeah, I've been dying to do this astrophotography photo. Finally get a chance to do it. It's about 9:28 p.m. So, yeah, 9:28 p.m. says Joker. Why so serious? Well, because I'm finally doing it. So, yeah, let's check this out. All right, we got round two. I'm just going to tap this real quick. And there it goes, about 2 minutes and 35 seconds. By the way, if you're wondering, I am recording with my Pixel 3. Everything is audio from the Pixel 3. So after this setup on top of this hill, I'm probably going to go to another dark spot, probably a little bit lower to capture like the trees in the shot for the astrophotography. But like right now, we are sitting at 2 minutes and 11 seconds and counting to see if it can get shots of that star up there or planet. I'm actually going to look at Google Earth and see exactly what it is. There's a couple of stars out this way. It might be able to make it. Not entirely sure, but I'm going to mess around with this, see if I can get the shots I need. I'm letting it do its thing. We got about another minute and 40 seconds left. So this photo would be, I'll caption it at the bottom at the end. This photo will actually be photo B. And we'll go on down that. There's like, from up here, I should be able to. I'm trying to get it to where I can get a real good. The only thing that sucks about living in the city is that there's so much pollution and you know, stuff in the air. It really drowns out the ability to see stars at night. I mean, you can see them in this video. Some of them that at least shine bright enough. But, yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, so the trick that I learned right now is that if I zoom in more, I'll get a better astrophotography shot. So actually having to zoom in brings out more of the stars that's not visible to me with the naked eye. I zoomed in this direction. You see that star kind of blinking. And when that shot was done, taking all the still shots it needed to kind of put it all together, there was more stars that showed up in the photo, which you'll see. A lot of the early shots were just taken in regular like non-zoom. So zooming in may be the key. And as you guys can tell, I am not a professional photographer. So anyone that jumps on and says, well, you got to do it for astrophotography shots, I didn't know. I do now. But, well, sort of. I'm testing the theory right now. So I have it zoomed in to that star right there. And I'm going to see if it brings out more stars in that area for me to capture. If so, that's awesome. If so. It says move back to improve focus on my camera here. So the focus is going in and out of whack. You guys can see that plane flying over there. But yeah, this is actually quite fun. I don't know how many people are going to be into this kind of stuff, but I certainly am. So, hey. All right, so we are back home. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. Very quick and short video. Here's all the samples again, all over of each shot. And yeah, all the shots were taken from the Pixel 4, by the way. So I guess I can either probably use a different setting to get a better example of astrophotography, or I just probably need to learn the tricks and the tricks of the trade to get better at it. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm heading off to bed because I'm tired. So smash a like, help circulate the video. If you're here viewing, ooh, heartburn. If you're here viewing, might as well hit that subscribe button and catch more content and my daily podcast show, since I moved on more to doing podcasts. But I kind of miss doing videos too, so I figured I'd just do this. It was fun. It was fun for me. But yeah, for those out there who follow me on social, if you try out astrophotography and you post to the gram, follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and tag me in your photos. Let me see what you guys come up with. But until next time, aloha.